Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting rumors buzzing around the drone world, the anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you've been following DJI's journey in redefining aerial photography, then you know just how significant the Mini series is for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its reputation for delivering lightweight, powerful drones that pack professional-grade features, the Mini series continues to dominate the market, and the Mini 5 Pro promises to elevate that legacy to new heights. In this video, we'll explore the rumored features, potential upgrades, and the expected release date of this compact powerhouse. If you're as excited as we are, buckle up, and let's dive into everything you need to know about DJI's next big innovation, pushing boundaries with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. When it comes to compact drones, DJI has long been the reigning champion. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take this legacy further, promising groundbreaking advancements that could redefine what's possible with a sub-250G drone. Staying under this weight limit is crucial for hobbyists and new drone pilots in the US because it exempts them from needing an FAA license. But here's the challenge. Introducing cutting-edge features like a larger sensor, extended battery life, and enhanced AI capabilities could threaten this weight class. So how might DJI strike the perfect balance? The company is likely investing heavily in engineering lightweight components that don't compromise performance. Camera upgrades, a visual revolution. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is the camera. Rumors suggest the drone might feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This improvement could translate to sharper images, superior low-light performance, and greater flexibility for creators who demand professional-grade visuals. In addition to the sensor upgrade, DJI could enhance dynamic range, delivering richer, more vibrant colors and better contrast in diverse lighting conditions. While we may not see a dramatic increase in megapixel count, the focus seems to be on improving overall image clarity and quality. For aerial photographers and videographers, this could be a game changer. AI and connectivity, next-level performance. The integration of advanced AI features is another area generating buzz. Imagine a drone equipped with state-of-the-art object tracking that locks onto fast-moving subjects with laser-like precision. Whether you're capturing a high-speed car chase or an adventurous mountain bike trail, the Mini 5 Pro could take your action shots to the next level. Another potential upgrade is the inclusion of 5G connectivity. This would mean smoother real-time video streaming, ideal for live broadcasts and uninterrupted aerial footage. Such features could make the Mini 5 Pro a go-to choice for content creators, journalists, and vloggers. Flight time, breaking limits. The Mini 4 Pro already boasts an impressive 40-minute flight time, and expectations are high for the Mini 5 Pro to either match or exceed this benchmark. While achieving a longer flight time in such a lightweight frame is no easy feat, DJI's expertise in battery optimization could make it possible. Extended flight times would provide users with more opportunities to capture stunning aerial shots without constant interruptions for recharging. Design and build, lightweight and durable. DJI's Mini series has always been celebrated for its portability, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue this tradition. Maintaining a sub-250G weight while incorporating high-end features requires cutting-edge materials and design innovations. The drone will likely feature a sleek, aerodynamic build that not only looks good but enhances stability and performance during flight. Release date. Mark your calendars. DJI typically follows an annual release cycle for its Mini series, and rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro could make its debut this November. While this timeline aligns with DJI's usual pattern, nothing is confirmed until the company makes an official announcement. Keep your eyes peeled for updates, as the Mini 5 Pro could hit the market sooner than we expect. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. So, why all the excitement? The Mini 5 Pro isn't just another drone. It represents a leap forward in compact drone technology. Its rumored upgrades suggest a product that blends professional-grade features with user-friendly design, making it suitable for both seasoned professionals and beginners venturing into aerial photography. For travelers, vloggers, and content creators, the Mini 5 Pro could become an indispensable tool for capturing breathtaking perspectives. Its rumored features promise to enhance creativity, offering unparalleled convenience and functionality in a compact package. What are your thoughts? What excites you most about the rumored DJI Mini 5 Pro? Is it the potential for better camera quality, longer flight times, or advanced AI features? Let us know in the comments below. Your insights could spark meaningful discussions and inspire future content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest updates on drones, gadgets, and everything tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.